Hè?
Oh ja, riekt dat wel eens. En ik dacht dat als dit barbecue aan het doen was.
Curry powder. No hot, very mild. You like hot curry? I put the chili powder. So then after how to cook the small dal curry, okay? Linsen curry, how to cook the linsen. This is curry powder, no hot, very mild. So first we can use the coconut oil. Take 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Garlic, onion, tomato, chili.
Förut har vi.
Then after we can put the 2-3 spoon linsen. The big groups we can take the more. We lunch make the table. You have the lunch also here, no?
Yes.
Yeah. After lunch, the same lunch you can try this dal curry. We put 1 teaspoon curry powder. Half teaspoon kurkuma. And coconut milk.
You make it yourself, the coconut milk?
Yeah.
Wat hè?
In de winkel kopen.
Ja, niks allemaal van die...
And put a little bit salt. You know salt?
Yeah, of course.
You can put a little bit salt powder. And not like a much. A pinch of the chili powder, okay?
Oeh!
Not lynch, the pinch, the big amount of chili. So this is we want cooking for the 15 to half an hour. End of this to